What it do, K-Life Squad? Back at it again with another video. As you guys can see, I got the baby kids with me this weekend, man. I don't know how I got stuck with these kids, but they here. And today we about to go have a little adventure. We about to go, what we about to go do, y'all?
To the park.
We gonna go to the park?
Yeah.
So y'all want to introduce, well, y'all already know who. Y'all know who both of these guys are, but this guy's bigger now. How old are you now?
I'm 3.
He 3 years old now. Y'all ain't seen him since he was a little boy. Y'all know Jay in the cut.
I'm 10.
Anybody ask your age, bro?
Okay.
Baby! Boy, so yeah, we about to... Y'all can see it. Yeah. Let me see.
Let's send it over here.
Yeah. So, both of them got one. Both about to get a little kit. They both about to suit up.
Yes,
And we about to head to the park. What? We about to head to the park, y'all. So, y'all already know what time it is. Before y'all go, make sure y'all do what? Like if y'all feeling this thing. What you want to say, bruh?
Subscribe and comment to keep notified.
So, you know, y'all heard Jay say, y'all know him and his little subscribe. Okay, nah. But yeah, make sure you guys like it. Make sure you guys leave a comment. So I know y'all came through now. And you got to hit that sub to be a part of the squad. Till we get to the park, man. Y'all know what time it is. Why you acting shy? Boy, he not even shy, y'all. Why you acting shy? What you got to say?
I'm not shy.
Exactly. So till we get to the park, y'all already know what time it is. Stay tuned. Just in case you guys wasn't aware, and it's actually called a outdoor explore kit. 10 pieces.
Ozark Trail.
And then it comes with this, comes like this, and it comes with that. Kazir is already messing with it. So when you open it,
Okay.
when you open it, so it's like 10 pieces.
Oh, you put bugs in there.
You put bugs.
Comes with this.
A bug catcher.
Yeah, I'll catch it. Bug catcher.
Comes with like a little lamp for them. Comes with a bug catcher. Comes with a cool little bag for them to travel with. Oh, we don't have to take a bag now. And I think about it. So let's see what else. All right.
Oh, give me batteries.
Wow. I went to the store about batteries.
Oh, just look at this thing right here.
I thought it said that I would need it. I did not know it came with it. It said included. You know what? Wow. I can't. You know what? I read this. I read everything up until here. Shit crazy, dog. But yeah. It's what is bug catcher part?
And the batteries. Wow.
And
No,
it has the
that-
batteries,
those
guys.
are
I went to the store and bought.
They
They come with a little flashlight for them. I'm guessing this to pick up the bugs with? Okay.
Or pick up the ant, like something.
Oh yeah, for y'all to pick up the ants.
Compass.
It's a compass?
Let me see.
I find bugs and see them.
Oh, that's how you gonna be, buddy?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh yeah. Okay.
And then,
It is so hot outside, guys.
yeah, how many
Look at Kylie with her book bag, guys. Just in case she poop while we're at the park. You want your sunglasses?
Yeah.
Okay. It's too hot?
Yeah, I want my
Yeah, it is hot.
Want your sunglasses?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let me take your leash off for you. Come here. Come here, Ma. Come here, Ma. Come here. Hey, guys, we finally made it to our adventure spot. Kylie running around. She's wild and free right now, so I know she's... Come on, Ma. Come on, Kai. Let's go, baby. So we made it.
Watch out.
We about to enter the waterfall area. This is a school, actually. Oh, shoot. Kylie, come back, Ma. I don't need no steak to get you, baby. I don't want to fight a snake today, but I will. I will. Sure will. Yeah.
I see an ant.
Oh, they taking pictures. Oh, they taking maternity pictures. I know that's right. It's beautiful, man. Kylie, let me put you on your leash, Ma. Come on, baby. Show you guys the waterfall. It's so beautiful, man. It's just a good spot to come to chill, vibe. Nice scene. Bring your kids. Oh, yeah. You like it, buddy? You want to go closer? He don't put on his little glasses, y'all. He said he was too hot. Y'all ready?
Yep.
Let's go. You ready, buddy?
Yeah.
All right. Open your book bag. Oh, yeah. Kylie, you going to sit right here, Ma? Because you can't go that far, baby.
Oh.
I'm not going to fall down, Bubby. Promise. Huh? I see. What you getting, buddy? Go get the bugs. Don't kill it. You just gotta get it. But you gotta get your capture thing, so you're not so far from it when you do get it. Oh, that one gone, Pop. That one, no, you trying to come after him.
Okay, sorry, mister. Oh, well, what about you? Nope, what about you? You? Yes. You? Yep. You in. Yeah, got it.
You got it?
Nope. Oh, it died.
You killed it? Come on, guy.
Kill it.
You can't be killing them.
I didn't mean to.
Don't kill
Alright.
it.
Sorry, Mr. Ant.
Alrighty, let's see. I didn't kill nothing. I don't want to hear it.
You got my little scissors.
Let me show these kids how to really get stuff. You
Put it in there?
gotta get in character. You feel me? Gotta put it
Yeah.
around your neck. Gotta get your magnifying, and you gotta get your clamper. Yeah, the clamp. So,
I'll get that.
nah, I'm gonna get the ant.
I get
Oh,
that.
I'm about to get ants, y'all. Now let's see. Oh, not that way. All right,
Dang it.
what are we looking for?
Dodging, man.
Adventures in the Wild.
See it? You
Dang.
see an ant, buddy?
Yeah.
Where's that?
It's right there.
Show me one. Oh, we do got one. Oh,
Hello,
yeah.
little guy.
Wait.
Get.
Chopsticks. Okay, I told you they fast.
Wow.
Buck.
Okay, I told you they fast, Kay.
They fast.
I told you they fast.
I told
Yo, that ant was really racing. Yo.
Be like, zoom, you ain't getting me.
Yeah, this may be a little harder than I expected, guys. I ain't even gonna hold you.
One.
This may be a little harder than I
Oh,
expected.
look, they're bringing us stick. Oh, they bringing us worms. Look, they bringing the worms. Ooh. They bringing the worms. Like, look, they bringing the worms. Look, they're bringing it. Oh, I'll probably get one of the ants while they distracted. Think so?
Try to get them while they down, y'all.
Dun, dun. Dun, dun. Dun, dun.
You got it?
Oh, wait, hold on.
You got one? Oh, I think we got one, y'all. Do we got it?
I got some ants.
Ooh, you got some. Oh, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We gotta close it so it don't.
Distracted.
Can't be getting the people while they distracting, man.
Yes, sir. You thought you was going somewhere. Look, they want the worm now. Look, they want the worm now.
From?
But they was holding it.
Oh, wow. Oh, you put all that in there together?
I mean, they was carrying the ant. They was carrying it.
Oh, that was.
It's
That's their food, man. You took food from the kids.
They still have the food.
Oh my goodness. You took the food. This man done took the food from the family. I didn't know they was carrying it, bro.
was carrying the ant. I tried to tell you that.
You did, but I did not know they were carrying the food for the family. What you doing? What? Yeah, we gotta let them. We gotta get them back to their family, man.
Oh, so you gotta let him out?
Yeah, you gotta let them out, cause they gotta eat that. That's their family food.
Okay.
All right, so you gotta let the whole thing out.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Yeah, they gotta take that worm to their family, man.
The queen mad. He in there. Look, guys, he's in there.
You got it, guys. All right, put it in your thing, buddy.
He angry.
Wait a minute. Put it in. Don't let them out.
Yeah, you see a friend in there? Ooh, they mad. He's like, give me my friend. Ooh, nope, you thought. You tried it. You tried it, but you didn't try it good enough. Come on, my son. Let's go.
Oh, come here, bud. Okay, baby, I will be careful. Just wanted to give you guys a closer look at the waterfall. They were taking pictures before, so I couldn't come over here, but now I don't want to bring the kids up here because to get over here is pretty wet, so I left them on the other side. It's beautiful, y'all. Kylie, see, I didn't want to leave her, so I brought her with me. Huh? You want to catch firefighters?
Nope, you thought. Oh, God. Oh, look.
I know. They're taking pictures.
Okay, but I'll let him go, though.
Huh?
The ants, I'll let him go. Obviously.
Yeah, we're going to let them go. We're not going to take them home.
No, we're not taking no ants home. No.
It's crazy.
No, they gotta live.
Just a little game. Just a little fun to have. How many you got?
2.
Where they at?
Botany. On the top, probably. Trying to get out. Okay,
Oh.
the other one at the top. Okay.
Huh, buddy?
Firefly.
Oh, you want the
Bye,
butterfly
bye.
to in there.
Well, you got to go get them, buddy.
Yeah.
Where you want to go? You want to go get them? Yeah. Okay.
Come on, guys. You going out?
There they go.
Right home.
Somebody's up there taking
And
some
don't
pictures
snitch
or
on me
something.
either.
That's beautiful.
You better not snitch on me. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. That's the end of today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And comment so that way you are still notified.
Guys, it has been an adventurous day. Thank you guys for walking with us, coming with us on this journey. I'm tired now. It's hot out here. Yo, Georgia went from cold to heat real quick. 0 to 100 real quick. Them kids, them boys tired, man. About to go get some ices. Some pelicans to be exact. So, thank you guys like always for rocking with me. Coming on our adventures with us. Kylie is being Kylie. I love y'all. Till next video. Y'all know what time it is, man. Hey, don't forget. Tap in and be part of the fam now. Till next time. K-Like Squad. Stand up.